In this video, I will be going to explain you retriever. As the name suggests, it will retrieve, it will take out something. So it's like a search function inside an AI system. Let me make a diagram to explain you this retriever concept. So you have a retriever here and you ask a query to this retriever. Now what this retriever will do, it will scan the data source. So let's say this is your data source. So it will be going to scan it, and after scanning it will take out the relevant documents which are based on this query. So it will take out the relevant documents only which are related to this query, and that will be the output. So output will have list of documents, or you can say set of documents which is related to this query. So because I will be going to create the RAG based applications, so this data source will be vector database or vector store. Let me read this now. So you have a data source which is this. So your information is stored in the database or vector store. So that I have already told you. Then user query. So this is a query where users ask a question and the query goes to the retriever. So the query goes to the retriever here. Now what is the retriever job? The retriever job is that it looks into the data source, scan the documents and pull out the documents which are most relevant to the questions, and after that it will be going to return the set of documents as out. So you will be thinking this thing we have already done. Like you remember we did vector db dot similarity search. So I use this similarity search function, and using the similarity search function I retrieved the relevant set of documents. So what is the use of retriever? So there are many uses of retriever. Number one, this is only one kind of search. Now there can be many different kind of searches, and in all kind of searches similarity search will not work. Also another advantage of retriever is that they are built as runnables. Because they are runnable, so they can be fit into chains or workflows. So these are the advantages of retriever, that there are many different kind of retrievers which are used in different situations, and number two is retriever are built as runnables. So if you read this, retrievers can be of different types. There are multiple retrievers and they are built as runnables. So you can plug them into larger chains along with other components like prompts and LLMs. Because they are runnable, so they can be the part of chains. So in short, a retriever is a function which will take input as a user query, searches the data source and returns the most relevant documents.